What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. So this is my 7th or 8th time trying to put out this video. Hopefully no more interruptions. Sun's about to go down. I'm about to lose all my natural light, so let me go ahead and get this thing on and popping, right? Also remember, please subscribe. I'm gonna be dropping videos on a regular, anything finance, budget, self-improvement, whole 9 yards, the whole array of videos coming. I got some ideas popping, so might as well, while I'm hot, still put it out, right? What else? Oh, I heard it's daylight savings time, so I'm actually super excited about that because I was that person when I worked a 9 to 5 that was just like, yo, why am I here for a whole additional hour? I'll look at the time and be like, damn, bro, it's 6. I'd have been going home right now. Like, why am I still here? Why do I have to give you another hour of my life? Even if it's the same thing and it worked out to be the same. I was that dramatic individual. Probably still is. But I wish Florida would not recognize daylight savings time. Like, please, do me a favor. Apart from that, so everyone's always asking me, how do you make money? Why do I never see you go to work? Why are you always at home? How do you make money? And I decided, yo, why not just do a video on how I make money and just cover some of the streams of income that I've been working on for the past, 3-4 years. And I'm no pro, I'm no expert. It's just, hey, I tried it, it worked, it stuck, let's keep it going. So that's literally how it is. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you, you know, some of this stuff is free, some of this, to be honest, there's nothing that's going to be a completely 100% free, because you have to run ads to drive traffic to your video or to your product or to whatever it is that you decide that you're going to sell. There's just so many things on the back end where it's just like, oh, I thought they said this was low startup, or I thought they said, yeah. So there's a whole bunch of processes in there, which we'll probably jump in another video. But so far I'm just going to go over my 3 sources of income and things that I think that everyone would pretty much benefit from in some way. You know, we're going to call this laptop money, because you could do it from your laptop, your tablet, your phone, whatever device that connects you to the internet, you're able to work from. Okay. First one I'm gonna say is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, I've heard everything about it, the worst. You know, it's a scam, it's a pyramid scheme, you don't get paid, it's not consistent. Nothing in life I would honestly say is consistent. People aren't consistent. Like, come on, seriously? So everything is going to be based on time, energy, effort, and the money that you have to back what you're doing. Now, you can make a good income with affiliate marketing, and you could also not make a good income with affiliate marketing, but it all goes back to how much time, effort, energy, and money you're going to put into it. It's basically like any other commission job. You know, you work at a cell phone store, you work anywhere that you have to make commission to get paid. That's basically what affiliate marketing it is. So for example, I promote the super affiliate system, John Crestani's auto webinar, and with that product, once it sells, I make $497.34. But again, I have to promote the product. So I have to basically send out this link. I have to email people, you know, talk to people, build rapport, butter them up, buy the product. That's pretty much literally affiliate marketing. Now, there is this cool site called clickbank.com. You go to clickbank.com and you're able to sign up for different affiliate companies from clickbank.com. So you could sign up for, if you're into fashion, beauty, books, whatever you're into, it's on clickbank.com, and you basically just find a product that you feel that you're able to promote, either to, you know, if you already have a fan base or audience or whatever it is. Find something that you know that's going to appeal to them, and these people are going to click on it, they're going to buy it, and you're going to get commission off of it. That's literally affiliate marketing. I think even Amazon has one for its products. I think so. Yeah. So that is basically affiliate marketing. I'm also going to have links to that below with the programs that I use. Now, next is dropshipping. I have heard, again, the good, the bad, the ugly about dropshipping. Oh, you don't really make money. Oh, you have to put money in to make money. Yes, anything that you do, you have to put money in to make money. That's just how that process works. Now, what drop shipping basically is you having a storefront online, and you basically sell your product. You fulfill the product. When the person goes to your website, they buy the product. You fulfill it by basically going to that manufacturer and saying, this is the person's information, order the product, send the product to the person. You never really have to touch anything. It's a very seamless process. You watch the money come in. But again, it goes back to, you have to spend money on ads. You have to set up a website, or you have to set up an e-com store. So, either Wix, e-com, Big Cartel, Shopify. If you're going to use third-party apps on some of these stores, you have to pay for those apps to use those apps. So it could get a little bit pricey depending on what you choose to do and how you choose to promote and market your store to where you're going to make the most money on your returns, right? So that is something that you could actually look into also. Now, with drop shipping, you'll hear a lot of people say, oh, a general store is good or a niche store is good. Personally, I've tried both. I actually like both because I have put the same amount of time into building each of the stores. So I know that, I've had good returns on both stores, and I actually like both. The one that has a mixture of everything, and one that's basically, it's only health that I'm talking about on this store. So you're only going to expect everything health. On this one, I have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, unicorn dust, the whole 9 yards. So a lot of times you'll hear a lot of people tell you, yeah, you have to find a niche. If you are going to do a niche, then go ahead, perfect, do your product research, see what your competition is doing, know where you stand with these products that you're going to decide to sell. From there, you want to go ahead and reach out to a supplier. You could use Alibaba, AliExpress. There's a list of places out there that you're actually able to find suppliers that's going to make this product for you. And then you could go ahead and sell that product. From there, when you build your website, you're basically going to take those products that you got from the supplier, put it on your website, and at that point in time, you're going to go ahead and create a plan to go ahead and get your customers. From there, which technically you could do that somewhere up in the front, however you decide to do it. And then, of course, from there, you just analyze and optimize, build, scale, run ads. There's not a good store that is out there that don't run ads. No matter what you're going to do, you're going to have to run ads. So, at that point now you have to say, okay, well, how much money am I putting into ads? How much money am I putting into, a lot of these things, is what you're going to have to think about. So yes, for drop shipping, it can be successful. You can have a good return, but you'll have to invest time, money, and effort just like anything else. So it's a very, very, very profitable thing for you to get into. I would never say that it's not, but you still have to put in all these things that you might not have access to just as yet. Now, apart from drop shipping, there's also freelance. Freelance is... everything to me is freelance, from house cleaning to car washing to taking photography photos to writing a paper to building a website. All that to me falls under the category of freelance. So I have a friend that charges $150 an hour to take photos and a minimum of 2 hours. Again, paid. Like, bruh, you're good. So that's basically how freelance works. There's a lot of websites that you could actually go ahead and post your work on, so like Fiverr, Upwork. And if you're good at writing, good at making resumes, good at editing photos, you could actually go ahead and sell your services on these websites, which I'll also have links to all those websites below. But those are literally the three things that I could say for sure. You will make money, you will have a good return, and not only that, you're able to go ahead and have a revolving door of income coming in based on how you decide that you're going to position yourself in the market or in the field, or, you know, in whatever it is that you decide that you're going to do. So again, are any of these things worth it? Yes and no. It's just based on how you decide that you're going to look at the pieces to the puzzle and solve it at that point. So easy way to make money, easy way to lose money. You know, there's a lot of trial and error processes that you have to go through. You want to make sure that you're somewhat versed on just doing the correct product research, making sure that you have ads that are gonna test well. A lot of times, you know, you could go on to, if you decide that you're gonna sell the same product as somebody else, go ahead, see what kind of ads they're running. Try and see if you can mimic those ads. Don't copy their stuff blatantly, you know, but at least try to make sure that you're running a similar ad that's going to go ahead and catch the attention. See what's making their ad pop and see if you could do better, basically. Apart from that, that's literally the rundown of the 3 things that I do that are work from home and how I pretty much make money. Later on, I'll probably go a little bit in depth with it, but that's all I pretty much have for right now. Just wanted to get a video out before the day ended. All right, I'm cutting it on time here, so I just got another call. All right, so you think I'm a very popular person, but I'm really not. I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on today. But for anybody to succeed in any of these fields, honestly, I would say that you will have to have an open mind. You got to be open mind. You got to be open to trying new things. You have to know that you failing is not a big deal. Trust me. When I tell you there's times when I am like, I just want to give up. I'm tired of losing money. You know me, you already know how I feel about money. Like, yeah. So just imagine that tenacity, that vigor, that anger on top of that, where it's like everything comes together and it's just one big cluster of every, and you don't know if you're coming or going. So willingness to try new things, always be open-minded, always be ready to learn something new. You know, be very patient you got to be patient and you got to be persistent. So you basically got to have a mixture of both. And it's not even, you know, you trying to be the best at everything or trying to get this out the fast. No, just patience, literally. Just patience, effort. It's time consuming, but if you put in the work, you're going to love the returns. You know, building a customer base could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending on how good you are, depending on what you're doing, depending on how you promote. Like, there's so many things that affect how your progress is actually affected, to where it's crazy just the amount of time that you have to put in. So the takeaways that I like for everybody to take away from this whole entire process is everything is gonna cost you something, regardless if it's the initial setup fee, you know, the cost of something. There's gonna be a cost to it. It is gonna take some kind of time for you to learn this process. Yes, there's a bunch of people out there selling courses and books, and I'm gonna tell you, I've bought some. However, I'm not that person that bought anything that was like $700, $800, $1,000. No, my limit was $50. So I'm not gonna buy your product immediately either. I'm gonna watch a couple of your videos, see how you interact on social media, see if I like your presence, see if I like what you're saying and the things that you're doing, if it matches up. I gotta get a feel for you before I go and invest my hard-earned money into you as a person. I'm sorry, like, and it's crazy because a lot of times it's not even the product that sells, it's the person, you know. And yeah, it's the person, trust me, because I'm pretty sure half of these people that I follow, and they're probably the really bad people in life. I don't know, some of them might be really good, but I like how they are. I like how they interact with people. I like how they deliver certain things. So their delivery, I'm sold. Not even the product could have been trash. I'm sold. I'm not gonna lie. I have been that person to buy trash just because I like the person. So persistence, patience, and just have an open mind and being ready to learn new things will actually get you a very long way in this game of drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and just being a freelance worker. I think freelance worker is going to get you your most profit because you could put any price tag you want on anything if you really think about it. And because somebody really needs a service, they're going to get it. Drop shipping is pretty much the same, but you also got to keep in mind, like, all right, you know, this has to be something that's, this has to be a hit. A lot of people are going to tell you, yeah, you know, you need to push high ticket items, and that, not really. Trust me. I have a friend that just made 100K in the past 3 days, and, you know, his items were $20, but based on how he was selling it and marketing it, he was able to go ahead and make a 30% return on that. And that for sure is a no-brainer. So you want to go ahead and have big wins, and you also have to know, hey, for me to have these big wins, I have to also put money out on the back end. So those are literally my takeaways from just about these 3 different jobs that I listed. If you have any thoughts, comments, or if you feel otherwise, throw it in the comment section. And I also have a link to all this information in the comment section, so that way you're able to check them out. All right. Well, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. Make money with HRC. I'm gonna come up with some topics, and we gonna get this party rolling. Thanks, y'all.